to welcome all of you today to the opening of the 13th Indian Fashion Jewelry and Accessory Show. The show is being held virtually starting from today till 4th of June. Friends, we are very happy to inform you that today we have with us Shri Ravi K. Pasi, Chairman, Export Promotion Council for Handicraft. Along with him is Mr. Vineet Bhatia, President, IFJAS. Also Nupur Batra, Vice President, IFJAS. We have with us Madam Christine Ray, who is the President of the Indian Buying Agent Association. Mr. Pramod Nagpal, Chief General Manager, Central Cottage Industry Corporation, New Delhi, and the architect of the virtual show, Mr. R.K. Verma, who is also Executive Director of EPCH and Director of first virtual show in India. Now, I request Mr. Vineet Bhatia, President IFJA, to please speak few words and request Mr. Ravi Pasi to open the fair.
Namaste everyone. Thank you Rakesh ji and EPCH for giving me this opportunity as President of the first ever virtual fashion jewelry and accessory fair. I like to invite all my buyers, my buying houses, my retail buyers to come and explore the galore of IFJAS 2020, which is going virtual today. Come on guys, grab your coffee and it's time to surf sitting back in your home with all your safety and comfort. I declare IFJAS virtual fashion jewelry and accessory fair open. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are keeping safe. I'd like to welcome you all to the inauguration of the first ever virtual fashion jewelry and accessory fair starting from 1st June 2020. I would like to start by expressing my immense gratitude to fellow exporters and EPCH for giving me this opportunity as President of the first ever virtual fair, Fashion Jewelry and Accessory Fair 2020. I know it's a tough time for all of us and we have challenges ahead of us. So what do? So going virtual is the only way forward. I would like to first of all thank Rakesh ji and his entire team for working day and night and tirelessly to put this first ever virtual platform in no time. So with the virtual platforms, we can try to keep our business afloat. We can keep employment at pace, especially in the MSME, the skilled and the unskilled laborers. So it's a very good initiative taken by EPCH, and I'm sure all of our buyers, our exporter fraternity, our buying house fraternity is going to benefit in a very, very big way. So heads up, going ahead. Thank you EPCH, thank you Rakesh ji and your entire team for giving us this platform and opportunity in these tough times. And with the positive note, let's go IFJAS, let's go and shop some jewelry and accessories. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm delighted to be here today, 1st of June, for the inauguration of India's first ever virtual show. This is being brought to you by EPCH along with the IFJAS committee, and I think it's a fabulous initiative and it's what we all need. We cannot travel, we have businesses to run, and now is the time to think out of the box, to explore new ways of working. It means getting into that virtual world, whether it's designing, whether it's showing, whether it's presenting, making selections. You know, it is going to be different for many of us. We're used to feeling and touching things, but we need to all change our mindsets, and we need to embrace this new opportunity. And I am delighted to be here today to see this happening, and I'm sure this show will be a very, very interesting experience for all of us as we get used to working in this new way. Remember, it's only in times of great challenge that we make great changes, and that is what we all have to do now. Thank you very much indeed.
Namaste India, and welcome for our 13th edition of Indian Fashion Jewelry and Accessory Show. EPCH, as an organizer of largest Indian handicraft and gift fair, we are earlier provide you the physical show. Now this time, due to the COVID-19, we are ready to serve you on the virtual platform. Come and see, more than 200 exhibitors of fashion jewelry are waiting for you. Explore the latest design, source the products. You will also see the fashion shows during the 4 days our virtual show. Also the latest design and trend forecast webinars, educational seminars, they are going on. You will have the sourcing opportunity, only the sourcing redefined from the physical to the virtual. Please join and our show. Thank you very much.
Good morning friends, I welcome you all from EPCH. Now that you see that the virtual fair is on, I request you can just be inside in the comfort of your office, your room, your drawing room, in front of your laptop, and you can go through the best of India. We are close to 200 to 300 participants at the virtual fair. We are virtually representing all the new developments that we have done for, say, since last year. You can just, on the ease of a click of a button, you can enter any of us. So the moment you enter my virtual stand, we'll have some representatives there. You can get in touch with us. For some reason, if we are not online, just feel free to give us a Zoom call, WhatsApp call us anytime, and we'll be there. Times have surely changed with COVID and life after COVID. Things are going to be really different. But the desire to make something new, for you to run your stores, for the economy to run, creative people have to create and the businessman has to buy. So the cycle has to go on. But the only thing is that the platform has changed. First, you used to travel from your country to my stand. We used to exchange cards. We used to hug each other. Now we are going to be over an email saying hello, and everything will be virtual. Anything, any details of the products that you want, be it jewelry, be it a bag, be it a slipper, we can do a Zoom call, we can send you PowerPoint presentations, we can zoom in, we can zoom out. And I think this is just a new experience for all of us to just get used to the time. I don't think so anything has changed for the bad for business line. Maybe it's challenging times, but we'll get over it. Bye.
This is our first virtual show basically. You know, due to COVID, we have prepared this platform for our important buyers. In this platform, there are 200 exporters are participating, and we miss you because of fashion shows are there, restaurants are there, the seminars, workshops, everything is on this platform, so that you don't miss anything in this virtual show. Because of due to COVID, I hope after post-COVID we will again meet you physically in the next shows. Also, we are participating next month, July show also. That's also the biggest show of handicrafts, textile based handicrafts, jewelry and marbles, etc., etc. So I give my blessing to successful of this show. Thank you so much.